shoulder adduction. So my door anchor is at the very top part of my door, just above the top hinge. I'm going to kneel down facing the door, come as close as I can to the door with my hips forward, my knees shoulder width apart. So what I don't want is your butt sticking out doing this. I want a straight line from your head to your butt. Engage your core. Now, it may be easier, depending on how far away from your door you are, to put your back to the door, your feet right on the door, and your arms right out to a T. Slightly forward of your shoulders so they're not pulling you back. Pull it down and hold. 2, 3. Bring it back up. Hips forward. You should feel your butt doing this. Hold. Bring it back up. It should be just enough tension for you to feel those muscles activating, coming down to your sides. It's like a bird opening its wings and closing its wings. When you're in the down position, your knuckles are reaching forward to go back up, level with your shoulders. Shoulder adduction, either facing the door, depending upon where your door is positioned, preferably with your back to the door.